Hey, once again, you got Bernard Savage, your mortgage man, right here from Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm going to talk to you about the top 10, let me see, top 10 things you need to know about reverse mortgages. Yeah, you need to know something about them because they're just not like the regular mortgage. Let me give you the top one. The number one, most people, what is a reverse mortgage? Well, let's look. A reverse mortgage lets a homeowner tap into the equity of the home without them having to make a mortgage payment. You can get actually tap into your equity, and when you get what we call a conventional mortgage or a regular mortgage, then what you have to do, you can get cash out, you can tap into your equity, but you're going to have to make payments. With a reverse mortgage, it's reverse. We make payments to you, we kind of like reverse it. Now, number two is how can I qualify for a reverse mortgage? Well, simply put it, you have to be 62 years, at least 62 years old. Your house has to be pretty much free and clear, or it can have a low mortgage on it. It doesn't have to necessarily be free and clear, just have low mortgages so you can tap into the equity. If you're 100% financed and you know, like you got your house is worth 100%, 100,000, and you owe 100,000, of course you're not going to be able to do a reverse mortgage. Number three, can I apply if I didn't buy my present home with an FHA mortgage, with FHA mortgage insurance? Sure, you do not have to have a FHA loan previously on your mortgage, or you didn't have to buy it with an FHA or refinance it. You can get FHA qualified up to $417,000 based on the quote you get. So you don't have to be already had bought your house with an FHA loan previously. What types of homes are available is question number 4. Well, pretty much we got townhomes. It has to be owner occupied. It can be a condo. Basically, it can be a 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, or 4 unit. After 4 units, they don't do home. After 4 units, it's considered commercial property, not residential. Also, you have to be owner occupied in the house. So you cannot do this on your investment property. Now, what you do with the money, if you get a lump cash out, if you want to buy investment property with that, you can do that. So you can live in one house, rent another house, and guess what? You got income coming in, and you don't have a payment coming out. All you're responsible for is your taxes. Now, let's flip to number 5. What's the difference between a reverse mortgage and a bank home equity loan? Well, a second mortgage is another lien. You have a first mortgage and a second mortgage. You have first position and second position. And a second mortgage, yeah, you can get the money out. You can tap into your equity, but you will be making a monthly payment. With a reverse mortgage, you can get the cash out, but guess what? You don't have to make a payment. So that's the beauty of it. No payments until you decide to sell your house or relocate and move somewhere else. So that's the difference. Now, 6, can the lender take my home if I outlive the loan? First of all, you can't outlive a reverse mortgage. You can't. As long as you're living in a house, you'll never have to make a mortgage payment. You will have to be responsible for your taxes and your insurance, and you also be responsible for the upkeep of your house, but that's it. You'll never have to make a payment again, and you'll never, the lender would never, ever take your home away. They can't. It's in your contract. Number 7, will I still have an estate that I can leave to my heirs? Sure, absolutely. I mean, your estate would basically be this. If you have, say, a reverse mortgage, say your house is worth $100,000 and your reverse mortgage is $50,000. Well, what happens is, if you pass, then you're going to have your heirs are still going to inherit the house. They can refinance the house and pay off the reverse mortgage, or they can sell the house. If they sell the house, then in that case, they still get the equity that's left in your house. So in that scenario, you'll have $50,000 left. So if they sell it for $100,000, they pay off the reverse mortgage of $50,000. That means you got $50,000 left over to put in their pocket, minus closing costs. How much money you can get for a home, reverse mortgage? Well, that depends on, let's see what it's saying. Depends on your age, the current interest rate, the appraised value of your home, and also it depends on the FHA limits. So what you need to do is just call me up at 615-727-0300, extension 222, and you get a free quote. Number 9, should I use estate planning service to find a reverse mortgage? Yeah, but a lot of them don't know. Just give me a call. I'll help you out. Actually, HUD doesn't recommend you using any estate planning service. Frankly, they don't really know. Even people in my own industry don't know a lot about reverse mortgages. I mean, you can go to your banker and maybe, I go to the banks all the time, and they send me their business because majority of them don't do it. 9 out of 10 banks in your area don't even do reverse mortgages. And number 10, how do I receive payments? Now, I guess you want me to show you the money. Well, basically you have 5 options. You have a term option where you get monthly payments. You can get a lump sum where you get a bunch of cash. Or you can get an equity line of credit where you actually have an equity line of credit where you can pull on, you can take out money anytime, and you still won't have a payment. Or you can get a combination of all 3 of those. Those are the ways you can, a reverse mortgage can help you get money for pretty much anything you like. Anything you like. So, that's it. I enjoyed talking to you. And remember, I am your Tennessee Mortgage Man.